The Maverick needs to make a serious effort this evening to put fun and joke one side with this issue of Usain Bolt claiming he is a footballer. After reports emerged that the big man is expressing confidence of making the Reggae Boys team because Jamaica on a big side, so he Bolt feeling can basically walk in at the team. This thing I get serious now. And look, I have seen Bolt play football. Yes, him have little touches, and we know him have speed. But I don't know, boy. I don't know. Put it this way. It would be a marketing dream for the JFF and the Reggae Boys brand. It would be all over the foreign press. Usain Bolt goes from global superstar to international footballer. Extra, extra, read all about it. But if you get down to the nitty-gritty of football, the preparation, the training, the hard work, the criticisms from people like sports commentary where they don't play nothing, I would advise Bolt to leave the football thing alone. But if you're really serious about it, brother, go play some big man football. Forget about the football factory business. And go and play some Premier League. Baby God, now your brethren. He will give you a run and have a view. And then need the help. Or you can try Boys Town or Cavaliers. Them side are easier to make. But you cannot just walk into the national team like that, big man. This is not the Olympics or the World Championships. But as a person who has been there through the thick and thin of your career, no matter what people tell you, say about you, I will never stab you in the back. So as you ponder this football move, we just want to say to your big boss, remember, football is not like track and field. Football is a contact sport. You know what that means? You know what that means? What do you think now, brother?